In recent years, the rise of online marketplaces and e-commerce platforms has opened up exciting opportunities for entrepreneurs and artisans to showcase their products and reach a global customer base. One important consideration for any online business owner is the legal structure under which their business operates. In this detailed guide, we will explore the benefits of starting a limited liability company, LLC, for an Etsy shop and e-commerce business. We will also provide a step-by-step procedure on how to start an LLC for your venture. First, let's discuss the benefits of forming an LLC for Etsy shop and e-commerce business. 1. Liability protection. Starting an LLC for your Etsy shop and e-commerce business provides personal liability protection. As a separate legal entity, the LLC shields your personal assets from business debts and obligations. This means that if your business faces financial difficulties or legal issues, your personal assets, such as your home or savings, are generally protected. 2. Credibility and professionalism. Forming an LLC gives your business a more professional and credible image. Customers and suppliers tend to perceive an LLC as a legitimate and trustworthy entity, which can enhance your reputation and attract more customers. 3. Tax advantages. LLCs offer flexibility in terms of taxation. By default, LLCs are treated as pass-through entities, meaning the profits and losses of the business pass through to the owner's personal tax returns. This allows you to avoid the double taxation that corporations face. LLC owners also have the option to choose how they want to be taxed, either as a sole proprietorship, partnership, S corporation, or C corporation, depending on their specific circumstances. 4. Simplified administration. Compared to other business structures, LLCs have relatively less administrative burdens. They require minimal record-keeping, simplified reporting requirements, and fewer formalities, making it easier to manage your Etsy shop and e-commerce business. Now that we've covered the benefits, let's walk through the step-by-step process of starting an LLC for Etsy shop and e-commerce business. Step 1. Research and planning. Before starting an LLC, conduct thorough research on the legal requirements, tax implications, and any specific regulations or licenses relevant to your Etsy shop and e-commerce business. Prepare a detailed business plan outlining your products, target market, marketing strategies, and financial projections. Step 2. Choose a name. Select a unique and memorable name for your LLC that reflects your brand and is available for registration. Check with your state's Secretary of State or appropriate authority to ensure the name is not already in use. Step 3. Appoint a registered agent. Appoint a registered agent, which can be an individual or a professional service, to receive legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in the state where your LLC is registered. Step 4. File articles of organization. Prepare and file the articles of organization with the Secretary of State or equivalent authority in your state. The document typically includes basic information about your LLC, such as its name, address, purpose, and the names of its members or managers. Step 5. Operating agreement. Although not mandatory in all states, it is highly recommended to draft an operating agreement. This document outlines the internal rules, ownership percentages, decision-making processes, and profit-sharing arrangements among LLC members. Step 6. Obtain required permits and licenses. Research and obtain any necessary permits or licenses for your specific industry or location. This may include sales tax permits, professional licenses, or permits related to specific products or services. Step 7. Obtain an EIN. Apply for an Employer Identification Number (EIN) from the Internal Revenue Service (IRS). This unique identification number is required for tax purposes, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees. Step 8. Open a business bank account. Separate your personal and business finances by opening a dedicated business bank account. This ensures accurate record-keeping, simplifies tax reporting, and helps maintain the limited liability protection offered by the LLC structure. Step 9. Comply with ongoing requirements. After establishing your LLC, you will have ongoing compliance requirements such as filing annual reports, paying taxes, and adhering to any applicable state or federal regulations. Stay informed and fulfill these obligations to maintain the good standing of your LLC. Starting an LLC for your Etsy shop and e-commerce business offers numerous benefits, including liability protection, credibility, tax advantages, and simplified administration. By following the step-by-step guide outlined in this comprehensive guide, you can establish your LLC and lay a solid foundation for the growth and success of your online business. Remember to consult with legal and tax professionals to ensure compliance with specific laws and regulations in your state or country. With the right structure in place, you can confidently build and expand your entrepreneurial endeavors in the thriving world of e-commerce. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. InkFile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through InkFile. InkFile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. InkFile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. InkFile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. InkFile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the InkFile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because InkFile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. InkFile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.